Hello and welcome. I'm going to show you how to lock notes in the Notes app on your Mac. First, launch the Notes app. Notice on the left that I have two accounts for my notes, an iCloud and a local account, my Mac. You may have more than two or only one account. Each account that you use your Notes app with will have a different password, which is used for all the locked notes inside that account. To set a password, click on Notes in the menu bar and choose Preferences. On the Preferences window that opens, open the Lock Notes drop-down menu. You should see all the accounts linked to your Notes app here. Choose your desired account, then click on the Set Password button. If you have a Mac with a Touch ID and want to use that to unlock your notes, you will have a checkbox named Use Touch ID. Check that one. On the password window that opens, enter and verify your password. You may use a hint as well. Click Set Password and close the window. Now, in order to lock a note, click on the note you want to lock, then do a right click and choose Lock Note. You can also use the lock button on the toolbar or the file menu. Once your note is locked, an open padlock symbol appears beside your note. The padlock is open, meaning that your note has a lock, but that lock is currently open. To actually close the lock, click on the lock button in the toolbar, which is showing an open padlock, and choose Close All Locked Notes. You can also use the Notes menu in the menu bar to do that. Any notes with a closed padlock requires the use of Touch ID or your password. However, other notes can be viewed without authentication. To open your locked notes, click on a locked note, use Touch ID, or use your password to open it. Note that when you open a locked note, all other locked notes with the same password are automatically open. To remove the lock from any one of your notes, with the locked notes already open, right-click on the one you want to remove the lock from and choose Remove Lock. The padlock is removed and your note is no longer locked. Please give this a like if this video helped you, subscribe for more tutorials and tips, comment to ask questions or to give feedback. Thank you.